Welcome to our next edition of Strategy Spotlight. This video series will highlight blended learning strategies that you may wish to utilize in your classroom. Each month, we will focus on a different strategy and interview WCS staff members who are using the strategy to impact student learning. In today's Strategy Spotlight, we will be focusing on the blended learning strategy interactive video. To learn more, check out the Going Bold School site and the page on interactive video. Today we will be featuring Haley Hildebrand, who teaches math at Renaissance High School, and Kathy Looney, who teaches science at Hillsborough Elementary Middle. Join us as these two teachers share their experiences using interactive video in their classrooms.
So using interactive videos has definitely impacted my student engagement dramatically.
A lot of things in science class that the kids may be struggling with the video, with the graphics that are embedded in there while the person's talking, whatever it might be, it really helps them conceptualize what they're learning. I can use it maybe sometimes to intro a specific piece, and then we dive into it deeper, or we've already covered it in class and I do it to reinforce what we've done. Usually with the Edpuzzle, I just give it as a classwork assignment and the kids do it independently. I don't usually create anything new in there. I look for stuff that somebody has already created. Sometimes I'll find great videos, but the questions aren't so great. So I can go in there and delete their questions, insert my own questions without having to reinvent the whole thing.
I use them every single day in all of my classes. So I try to break up my lessons into short snippets, and I try to keep all of the questions that I'm asking really tied to that standard, not just, hey, do you understand this? I'll have a problem for them to actually work out and show me that they understand it.
That's the biggest thing, is going back and seeing those big questions that they missed. And you can go back over that and what did everybody choose for this and why did we pick that? So you can go back with that and then pull the video up as a class and go back through it together and figure out, well, why did we pick this as an answer when it's wrong? So you can use that to drive the instruction and get the kids back on the same page, find out what they were thinking, because you can't be in their head. But you can ask them what they were thinking when they filled it out, especially if they're all marking the same wrong answer.
So whenever I have students that go through and complete an Edpuzzle, I can see what they're doing in the gradebook. I can see every question that they got right, that they got wrong. I can see the progress that they're making through every video. So even while they're in my classroom, a lot of times I'm monitoring on the computer how far they've gotten, which questions a lot of students are missing. And before they leave the classroom, I'm able to see, oh, only half of you got this right. So let's take a look at it. And I can see those questions that are being asked just over and over and over again as I'm circulating around the classroom. So Edpuzzle is super easy to integrate to Schoology. You just go and whenever you go to add materials, you're able to click on Edpuzzle right there, the way that our district has set that up. And then I can go in and it takes me directly to my account where I have all of the videos. I have them organized into folders based on classes, and you can just pick whatever video you want. You do have to go into the settings and make sure that grading is enabled, which is super easy, only 2 clicks once you get the video. Super simple. I was nervous whenever I first started using Edpuzzle. I was like, this is just going to be another thing I'm going to have to keep track of. Another grade I'm going to have to keep moving over. But all of my grades from Edpuzzle, once I enable that setting, they go straight to my grade book right on the day that I want them to, because it puts it in the right order.
When they watch the video, you have to tell them they have to watch all the way to the end, not just after their final question. If there's 2 seconds left, they have to make sure they go to the full 2 seconds and then have them view their score to make sure that it imports into Schoology, or it will not import. They'll have to go back, open it up, and finish playing it.
Edpuzzle is the WCS EdTech featured tool to support your use of the interactive video instructional strategy. Edpuzzle is available for all WCS teachers and integrates with our district learning management system, Schoology. To get started, go to the Going Bold School site and check out the resource called Start Here, Create a New Edpuzzle Account.